Hi everyone, I'm Slade Coburn with Chief Outsiders here today at ACG New York's 14th Annual Healthcare Conference at the Metropolitan Club here in New York City, here amongst about 350 private equity healthcare professionals. I'm here today with Jim Davis. Jim, why don't you take a moment and introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your firm.
Yeah, thank you, I appreciate it. Jim Davis with Chiron Financial.
Okay.
We are an investment bank based out of Houston, Texas. I actually reside in Dallas. And I lead our healthcare vertical.
Okay. Tell me a little bit more about what Chiron does in healthcare.
Sure. I appreciate it. We really are agnostic when it comes to healthcare in terms of the different sectors. We say we do three things really well. Mm-hmm. And that is facilitate the sale of companies.
Okay.
We raise capital, whether that's debt or equity. And then we do financial advisory, both for very successful growing companies and for companies that are in distress. We will operate and help companies that need restructuring, whether that is out of court or in court, to help them find their next path forward.
Perfect.
But we really see ourselves as very helpful to the entrepreneur, to the business person, the business that is looking for their next path in life.
Okay, great. And so what made this conference worth the trip from Houston to New York City?
Yeah, luckily I have a colleague that's here in New York, so it's always nice to get together with colleagues and then really spread the word about Chiron. But really this is still the epicenter when it comes to banking and private equity activity. Mm-hmm. And so we think it's important. We do focus nationally, so we think it's important to be where the action is.
Excellent. Are there any particular sessions? I know you were involved in the deal-making meetings earlier. Are there any particular sessions this afternoon that are of interest to you?
We are. Really all of them.
Yeah.
It's a matter of trying to split time and decide which one I'm going to go to. But, I think they've done a great job of putting together a program that's interesting and very relevant to today, and so hopefully I'll get in there.
And do you go to a lot of ACG events? Are you a member?
I am a member, and we tried to hit key events across the country throughout the year.
Yeah.
Divide that up amongst us. But obviously very active in Dallas, where I live as well.
Sure. Any advice you might have for someone either new to ACG or contemplating becoming a member?
Yeah, I think it's all about getting involved.
Yeah.
Right. I think the more you're engaged, the more you get out of it, and it helps create relationships that are ultimately going to be good for the business.
Perfect. Well, thanks for spending a few minutes with me.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right.
Very good.